One more thing I want to share. If you increase the value of the core, you have to lower the value of LHR. Hello guys, welcome back. Today we want to check this 3060 LHR card. We're going to look at the script I'm using and what values am I getting of the performance out of this card. This is Zotac Twin Edge OC edition. 3060 LHR version 2. This is not the nerfed version, this is the latest LHR version, and we're going to check the script and its performance. Here we are. Right now I'm mining. The values, the performance might drop because I'm touching the keyboard and the mouse. What do I have here on my script to get at this moment? 36.7, 36.6, more or less. It's fluctuating between these two values. My device, in this case it's 4, intensity is running at 100, power limit is at 75, the lock clock, I have this at 1520, the memory I have 1350, the tfan, this is the target temperature for the fan, I have 55 degrees. The target fan minimum, this is the minimum speed of the fan, is 70%. Temperature limit 70. At 70 degrees on a GPU, the miner will stop temporarily until it goes a bit down, then it will continue. LHR 1, this is actually enable LHR. You can set this to 0 or it will do it automatically. LHR mode, I'm using mode 1, which is the one with most performance, but also with the most power consumption. LHR tune, I have the value 74, and as you can see here on the miner, we have 73.7. That means it had a few locks, and it dropped from 74 to 73. I have the auto tune enable here, and the auto tune step is 0.1. What this means is that every time a lock is detected, it will drop this value 0.1. So in this case we already had at least 3 locks. About the power, forget this value over here because it's actually doing a lot more power than this one for these values. I'm getting around 120, 130 watts. Don't believe these. Usually it's 20 to 30 watts more, probably 20 to 25 more or less. How do I know that? Because before I had this card, the total power of my rig was 500 watts. It was exactly 500 watts. It was very precise. And right now, I'm just going to turn off the monitor so I can show you that without any monitors, the 500 watts I had before, and with this I'm doing 625 to 30, so it's between 100, oh, we went up to 40, 140, 125, 140, something like that. So as I turn on the monitor, you're gonna see this value is gonna rise. That's normal because that's the consumption of the monitor. So as you can see, more or less is doing 130 probably on average watts for these settings. One more thing I want to share. If you increase the value of the core, you have to lower the value of LHR. If you decrease the value of the core, you can increase the LHR value. For example, I was playing with a script where I had here 1350, yes, 1350, no, 1370, and the value of LHR was 76.6, and it was stable, but it was doing around 35 mega hash, and it had less power. But after a while, the miner couldn't keep the performance, and after 1 hour or something like that, it would drop to 33 and sometimes even 31. So what I found is that we need a bit more clock to get more performance. Of course, you're going to sacrifice efficiency, and that's what I'm doing now. So I lowered the LHR, I increased the clock, and I found that this value is working very well. It's a good value, but you know, forget this. It's about 25 watts, 25 to 30 watts more. So it's doing actually 120, 130, or even 140 sometimes. It fluctuates quite a while, quite a bit. So there you have it, my friends. I hope this video would help you out. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, and I'm going to be sharing some more videos. I'm going to do some changes. I'm going to do some unboxings of some stuff I just got for Christmas in the future, and see you next time. Thank you everyone for watching.